TENET Airdrop confirmed. 160 million valuation, supported by Binance. Costs $0. Time 10 minutes. Potential gain 6,500 plus. This is a full guide to getting the most tokens. What is TENET? TENET is a layer 1 blockchain designed specifically for LSD. They have raised $500K through its IDO and garnered support from Binance with a potential listing on Binance, as well as other prominent exchanges on the horizon. The project's tokenomics allocate 4% of tokens to airdrop, which is a significant amount. Getting involved in the airdrop is completely free. Here is a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Add testnet network. Go to chainlist.org chain 155. Connect MetaMask wallet. Click on Add to MetaMask. Confirm. Step 2. Faucet. Go to faucet.testnet.tenet.org. Connect your wallet. Click on Claim. Step 3. Wrap. Go to testtenet.org. Wrap. Connect your wallet and enter the amount. Click on Wrap. Step 4. Swap. Go to test.tenet.org. DEX. Enter the amount. Choose a WTENET WSTETH pair. Confirm. Make 10 plus transactions. Step 5. Stake. Go to testtenet.org. Restaking stake. Enter the amount. Click on Confirm. Step 6. Restake. Go to testtenet.org. Restaking. Enter the amount. Choose a validator. Click on Confirm. Step 7. Deposit. Go to testtenet.org TLSD aggregator. Enter the amount. Choose a validator. Click on Confirm. Step 8. Lock. Go to test.tenet.org vtenet. Enter the amount. Choose the lock period. Click on Confirm. Step 9. Vote. Go to testtenet.org vtenet gauges. Choose a gauge and vote weight. Click on Vote.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Token Metrics. Get there using the link down below.